In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your logo on your Godaddy website. A quick and straightforward process that will take no longer than about 5 minutes of your time. Having a unique logo prominently placed on your site is crucial. It not only aids in brand recognition, but also adds a professional touch that clients trust. So whether you're setting up a new website or refreshing an existing one, this guide will assist you every step of the way. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get into your Godaddy account. Start by clicking on the Sign In button. This is where you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Take your time to type these details correctly to ensure a smooth login process. After you have entered your credentials, hit the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. Here you'll see an overview of your Godaddy services. Look for the section or link labeled Website, as this is where you'll be heading next. Once inside the website section, scout for the Edit Website button. Clicking this will take you to the website editor, a user-friendly interface where all the magic happens. From font changes to layout adjustments, this is where you can personalize your website to match your brand. Now for the main event, adding your logo. Upon reaching the website editor, navigate by clicking on your business name. Typically this would bring up various options related to your site's identity. It's pivotal to know that your logo plays a significant role here, as it will be one of the first things visitors notice about your website. Next, you'll want to click on the option to upload a logo. This action will lead you to a new menu dedicated to customizing your site's logo. Remember, your logo is a representation of your brand, so choose a design that resonates with your vision and ethos. In the logo customization menu, hit the Upload button. This will prompt a File Explorer window to pop up, allowing you to browse and select the logo file from your computer. It's a good idea to have your logo saved in commonly used formats such as PNG or JPEG for easier uploading and compatibility. After selecting your logo file, upload it. Adjust its positioning and size if necessary, making sure it looks perfect on your website. A pro tip here is to ensure your logo is clearly visible against your website's background. Contrast is key to making your logo pop and catch your visitors' eyes. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your logo looks on your website, don't forget to save your changes. It seems simple, but it's an essential step that makes all your edits go live on your site. And there you have it, your logo is now prominently displayed on your Godaddy website, ready to greet every visitor. Remember, your logo is often the first touch point people have with your brand, so ensure it's a good representation of your business. To wrap up, let's recap the essentials. Today, we walked through the process of signing into your Godaddy account, navigating to the website section, and accessing the website editor. From there, we learned how to upload and customize your logo to ensure it aligns with your brand's identity. And most importantly, we highlighted the significance of saving your changes to make sure your logo appears on your live website. Adding your logo to your website is just the beginning. It's all about creating a cohesive and compelling online presence that resonates with your audience. Explore further customization options within Godaddy's website editor to fully leverage your site's potential. Whether it's tweaking the layout, enhancing the content, or optimizing for search engines, every small adjustment brings you closer to achieving your digital goals. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your online presence. Until next time, happy branding.